All right, class, today we're going to learn who a business analyst is and what they actually do in the industry. A business analyst is someone who acts like a bridge between the business side and the technical team. Their main job is to understand business problems and then help find solutions that are both practical and supported by data. Their role ensures that the company's strategies and systems work together effectively to deliver real results. Now let's start with the first responsibility: conducting meetings. A business analyst conducts meetings with stakeholders. These are the people who are affected by or involved in the project. During these meetings, the BA asks questions, listens carefully, and gathers key insights. This helps them understand what the business really needs and ensures everyone is on the same page before work begins. Next, let's talk about how they build reports. A business analyst uses tools like Excel, Power BI, or Tableau to create reports that show trends, performance, and progress. These reports help managers make informed decisions. Instead of looking at raw data, these visual summaries make it easier to understand what's happening and what needs attention. Moving on to the importance of collecting feedback. After launching a system or running a process, the business analyst goes back to users and clients to ask, "Is this working for you?" The feedback they collect helps identify what's working well and what needs improvement. It's a cycle that keeps the system evolving and getting better over time. Now, let's discuss how BAs provide suggestions. After analyzing data and understanding the situation, they come up with improvements. These could be about making a process faster, using a new tool, or simplifying a step in the workflow. Their suggestions are always based on insights, not guesses, and help the business operate more smoothly. Next up is resource allocation. A business analyst helps figure out who or what is needed to complete a task. For example, how many team members are required? What tools are essential? How much time will each task take? By planning this smartly, the BA makes sure resources aren't wasted and projects stay on track. Finally, we come to one of the most important roles: gathering requirements. Here, the business analyst talks to users, observes processes, and creates documentation that explains exactly what the business needs. This document is then shared with the development or IT team so they can build a solution that fits the problem perfectly. So let's wrap it up. A business analyst does more than just analyze data. They communicate, coordinate, report, suggest, and plan. They are problem solvers who make sure projects move forward in the right direction. In any industry, their job is crucial to turning ideas into real, working solutions.